Yes, hello. So, how you are? My name is Yukesh and we are doing a standard 12th statistics. In standard 12, we are doing part 2, chapter number. Yes. So, we are doing part 2, chapter number 2. And we had started the topic that is binomial distribution. What we had seen in the last lecture, let us get a quick recap of the last lecture. We had started a topic binomial probability distribution. I told you that what this topic is about. It has two factors, that every probability is divided into two factors, that is success and failure. Okay. Now, uh, as everything is divided into two, success into failure, success is termed as in P and the failure is termed as in Q. So P plus Q is always equal to 1. Now see, now for binomial probability distribution we had a formula P of x is equal to NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. Okay. So if you do the total, or you can say if you will solve the sum, just you have to watch for the four things: n is equal to 4, x equal to 2, p equal to 0.4 and q equal to 0.6. Now what is p of x? If you want to solve, I want to solve x equal to 2, so I have to solve p of 2 is equal to 4c2, 0.4 raised to 2 and 0.6 raised to 4 minus 2. Similarly, we had seen one or two sums. Last we had done illustration number 12. Okay. Let us move ahead. Let us do illustration number 1515. After 12, we can do a sum from exercise. In exercise, we had done this third sum. Yes. In exercise, we had done fifth sum. Okay, this fifth we had done. Now we are doing the third sum. So let us give the heading exercise 2.2. Third sum. Okay. Now in third sum, a person had kept 4 cars on a rent. N is equal to 4. Probability that car rented during the day is 0.6. Now, if probability of success is zero point 0.6, then what is probability of failure? 0.4. Find the probability that more than one but less than 4 cars are rented. Now, what you have to find? More than one and less than 4. Let us discuss on this. More than one but less than. Now, your x, what is your x? Your x must be more than one, less than 4. That means your x should be 2 and 3. More than 1 and less than 4. Your x should be 2 and 3. So how you will do? First of all, we'll write the formula. P of x is, you have to learn the formula first. P of x is NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. Q raised to n minus x. First, I'll find P of 2. P of 2 is 4c 0.6 raised to 2 0.4 raised to 3 minus 2. Sorry, 4 minus 2. Now what is 4c2? 4c2 is 4 3 are 12, 12 by 2 6. 0.6 raised to 2 is 0.36 and zero point 0.4 raised to 2 is 0.16. This calculation is 6 into 0.36 0.34. Now P of 3 is equal to 4C3 0.6 raised to 3 0.4 raised to 4 minus 3. Now P of 3 is equal to, what is 4C3? It's 4. You can calculate it, 4 into 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2. Then zero point 0.6 raised to 0.216. Then zero point 0.4. 4 into 0.216 into 0.3456. Now you are asked to find probability that more than 1 and less than 4. So you are asked to find probability that x is between 2 and, or you can say x is between 1 and 4. So it is 2 plus 3. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3, 4. 0.69. Okay, so this is 0.69. So we had solved this. Now let us go to the question number. Assume that on an average, one line out of four telephone lines remain busy between 2 and 3 p.m. only. Find the probability out of six randomly selected telephones, not more than three, and at least three of them will be busy. Let us read the question again. Assume that on an average, one out of four telephone lines remain busy. So you can say if 1/4 line is always busy, so 3/4 line is never busy. You are asked that find the probability that out of six selected telephone line, how many telephone line you have to select? Six. Not more than three, and at least three of them will be busy. So as I told you that in any question, what you have to do, you have to find n, p, q, and x. Now here, now what is n here? N is 6. As I told you, p is 1/4 because four one line out of four is busy. Then what is Q? Q is 3 4. If 1 out of 4 is busy, then obviously 3 is free. Then X should be, what is X here? Your X should be, it is based on the question. Your X is based on the question. And so what my question is, number one question, so my number one question is not more than 3. So basically your question is out of 6 randomly selected telephone lines, out of 6 randomly selected telephone lines, not more than 3, or at least 3 of them will be busy. So first question is not more than 3 is busy. As I told you that my n is 6, e is 1/4, 1/4 is busy actually. Not more than 3 should be busy. This is my question. So my x here should be not more than 3. That means my x here can be 0, can be 1, can be 2, and can be 3. So it can be anything. Okay. So if I want to find not more than 3, I should find everything. I should find 0, I should find 1, 2, 3, and I must add up all the things. So P of 0 is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So you know the formula. So let us write directly. 6c0 t, that is 1/4 raised to, okay, 1 by 4 raised to 0, and 3 by 4 raised to 6 minus 0. 0, 6 minus 0. Now this 630 is actually 1. Okay, and this 1 by 4 raised to 0 is 1. Now 3 by 4 raised to 6. So what is the 3 by 4 raised to 6? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 729 divide by, what is 4 raised to 6? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 40. So basically my answer is 729 upon 4096. So this is P of 0. In a similar way I must find P of 1. So it is 6C1, 1 by 4 raised to 1, and 3 by 4 raised to 6 minus 1. So 6C1 is basically the 6. 1 by 4 raised to 1 is 1 by 4. 3 by 4 raised to 6 minus 1. So it's 3 by 4 raised to 5 basically. So let us do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 243 upon 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 102. Now this is 6 into 1 by 4 into 243 divided by 102. So This is basically 6 into 243. This is 1458 divided by 4 into 1024. 40. It's 1458 divided by 4096. 0. Or we can keep it in fractions itself because first is also in the fraction. Then let us find P of 2. Now you got the process, I think so. Yes, process is same. Here we'll do 6C2 1 by 4 raised to 2 and 3 by 4 raised to 6 minus 2. So this is 1 by 4 raised to 2 and this is 1 by 4 to 6. Now this is 6C2. So 6 into 5, 30. 30 upon 2, that is. This is 1 by 8. Sorry, it's 1 by 16. Now 3 raised to 4. Let's see. 3, 3, 3. 81 divided by 4. This is 15 into 1 by 16. 81 divided by 250. 15 into 81 is 1215. 16 into 256. This is 4096 again. Now last one P of 3. 6C3 1 by 4 raised to 3 and 3 by 4 raised to 6. So this is 2020 into 1 by 4 raised to 3. So 1 upon 4 raised to 3 is 4, 16, 60 into 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 upon 4 2s are 15, 16 2s are 16. So this is 20 into 27. This is 550 upon 60 into 60. This is 4096 again. So now what I want to do, I want to find not more than 3. So I should do P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of. Now what is this P of 0 actually? What is P of 0? This is 729 upon 4096. 729 upon 4096 plus P of 1 1458 plus 1215 upon 4096 plus 540 upon 729 plus 1458 plus 1215 plus 550 is 3942 40. 0.96. So we can write answer here as 0.96. This was not more than 3. That means it was not more than 3. That means less than 4. Not more than 3. Now my question is, find. So this is my second question. My question is to find at least 3 of them will be busy. Now what is this 3 of them will be busy? So basically if you understand, 3 of them will be busy will be like this. At least 3 of them will be busy. So minimum there should be 3, more than 3 is work. So the line will be like this: p of x is more than equal to 3. Now it is very simple that it will contain p of 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what is this 0? Sorry, this at least 3 will contain 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you have p of 3. Okay, you have p of 3, that is 540.4096. So no need to find p of 3 again because we had solved that p of 3. You have to find p of 4, 5 and 6. So let us find p of 4. Now your p of 4 is 64. 1 by 4 raised to 4. 2 by 4 raised to 6 minus 4. What is my 64? 64 is equal to 62. So it is basically 15 into 1 by 4. It's 1 by 64. 1 by 4 raised to 4 it is. Then 2 by 4 raised to 6 minus 4, that is 4 upon 16. So this is 60 by 4096. Then b of 5, 65, 1 upon 4. It's 1 upon 4 raised to 5. It's 2 by 4 raised to 6 minus 6 into. Now what is 1 by 4 raised to 5? Is 1 by 1024. It's 2 by 4. 2 raised to 1, 4 raised to 1. This is 12 by 4096. then my P of 6 will be C6 1 by 4 raised to 6 3 by 4 raised to 6. So my 6C6 is 1. 1 by 4 is 1 by 4096 into 3 by 4 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So this is 1 by 4096. So now I had written everything here. So this is 540 plus 60 by 4096 plus 12 by 4096 plus 1 divided by 40. So my answer is 540, 60, 12 and 1. So it is 613. So there is some mistake I think we had made. This is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 raised to 2. 3 threes are 9 and obviously 4 fours are 16. So now this is 15 into 9, that is 135. Again same mistake we did. It's 3 by 4 18 by 4096. It's 135. This is 550 plus 135 plus 18 plus 6 on 4096. Done. So we have solved this sum. There is another method also to solve this sum only. What you can do if you want to find p of x greater than 3, it's greater than equal to 3, but obviously we all know that total is always 1 of all the probabilities. What we can do, we can subtract p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Why this is easy? Because we had already p of 0 1 2 with us. So what we'll do, from total we'll subtract 0 1 2. So remaining 3 4 5 6 will be in the box, and that is the question. So this is also a easy method. If you don't want to calculate again 4 5 6, then you have 0 1 2, just subtract the total of 0 1 2 from 1, you will get x more than equal to 3. So this is the logic I want to teach you. Till up to this lecture, we had done illustration 15. We'll continue further in the next lecture.